facing the Google Pixel 9 Pro random signal exclamation mark error. You're not alone, and we're fixing it right now. This frustrating issue can cut you off, but we have immediate solutions to restore your connectivity. First, let's reset your network settings. This powerful initial step clears out any corrupted temporary network data that might be causing the signal glitch. Simply navigate to your device settings, find Network and Internet, then Internet, and select Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. Confirm the reset, then restart your phone. If that doesn't immediately resolve the problem, the fault might be with your physical SIM card, which brings us to our second method. Power off your Pixel 9 Pro, carefully eject the SIM tray, remove the card, gently clean its contacts, and reinsert it securely. Sometimes a loose or dirty SIM is all it takes to cause signal instability. Still seeing that exclamation? Our third method involves ensuring your device software is fully updated. Outdated software often contains unpatched bugs that can manifest as connectivity issues. Go to System, then System Update, and install any pending updates. This ensures your Pixel has the latest carrier profiles and bug fixes. Finally, if all else fails, a factory reset can be a last resort, resolving deep-seated software conflicts. Remember to back up everything first. This comprehensive approach will get your Google Pixel 9 Pro back to full signal strength, eliminating that annoying exclamation mark error for good.